Getting ahead does not usually fail because people slack off or have no skill. It is often the mind itself that gets in the way, favoring comfort more than results. Long ago, survival meant saving strength and staying safe, not aiming high. That wiring still lingers, pausing too long before hitting send, putting exercise off until tomorrow, stopping a painting right after inspiration strikes. A hidden process ties into the default mode network, several linked areas in the brain that spark when we're idle or lost in our own thoughts. When stillness hits, this network isn't just idling. It quietly plays out versions of what might come next. More times than not, those scenes tilt toward trouble, not due to a gloomy mindset, rather because spotting danger helped ancestors survive better than dreaming about wins. Over time, these silent run-throughs wear down belief in oneself, even before any real move is made. Something else plays a role: how far off rewards are from what we thought would happen. Beginning a fresh task, say picking up a new ability, often brings results that fall short of hopes. Small gaps still set off faint letdowns in the mind, typically marked by slips in dopamine. Slowly, these tiny setbacks pile up beneath awareness, causing people to walk away long before they get good at it. Try thinking of tiny steps like test runs instead of promises. Calling something a trial makes it feel lighter, tricking your mind's habit of pushing back against endless duties. Picture setting up choices ahead of time, locking in moments for action. Picking exact times and places means less debating later, when familiar habits tend to take over. Now here's something quiet, but true. Small changes matter more than big leaps. Notice when attention stretches a moment longer, because those moments wire new patterns into your brain. Progress doesn't shout. It whispers through repeated steps. Feeling steady grows easier when you honor the barely visible wins. Each micro shift builds trust in movement itself. Motivation does not show up ready-made. Action comes before it. Doing something first, no matter how clumsy, starts shifting deep patterns. With time, small repeated steps change what your mind expects, slowly turning effort into routine. Growth is not defeating flaws. It's bypassing old brain habits shaped by endless generations of survival needs.